New this morning, Donald Trump responding to a Georgia congressman's claim that he won't be a legitimate president. Trump sent out this tweet less than a couple hours ago saying Congressman John Lewis should spend more time on fixing and helping his district, which is in horrible shape and falling apart. Not to mention crime infested, rather than falsely complaining about the election results. All talk, no action or results. And then he says, sad. Congressman Lewis said yesterday that he thinks the Russians helped Donald Trump get elected.